In Filipino culture, we are taught to value gratitude. We grow up hearing the words, "Utang na loob," a depth of gratitude we must never forget. But what if gratitude is no longer freely given? What if it's used to control, to silence, or to pressure someone into obedience? Today, we'll talk about the question many are afraid to ask. When does gratitude become a burden?
Lahat ng ginagawa namin para sa'yo.
Kung hindi dahil sa amin, wala ka ngayon.
May utang na loob ka, tandaan mo yan. Ilagay mo yan sa kote mo.
Utang na loob is deeply rooted in Filipino values. It teaches us to appreciate sacrifices made for us, especially by our parents and relatives. However, problems arise when this value is used as a tool for emotional manipulation. Statements like, "Kung hindi dahil sa akin, wala ka ngayon," or "May utang na loob ka sa amin." These statements are used or often used to guilt someone into following decisions they don't agree with. Gratitude becomes control when it is constantly demanded instead of naturally felt.
Nak, ano ba yung sasabihin mo, ha? Marami pa akong ginagawa, oh.
Ma, pagod na po ako.
Sinong pagod? Ano yung naririnig kong pagod ka? Saan ka nang pagod? Paano pa kaya kami?
Many young Filipinos experience this pressure in real life. Some are forced to choose courses they don't want, stay in unhealthy family situations, or give financial support beyond their capacity, because saying no feels like betrayal. This leads to emotional stress, loss of independence, and even resentment. Instead of strengthening relationships, utang na loob, when misused, can damage mental health and break family bonds.
Hindi ka masamang anak. Hindi ka walang utang na loob. Tao ka lang din naman at napagod din. Okay lang yan.
Nagpapasalamat po ako. Pero hindi ako naisuka ang sarili ko.
Sensya na, nak, ha? Ganun pala yung nararamdaman mo. Sana mapatawad mo pa.
Ang utang na loob ay dapat alaala ng pagmamahal, hindi paalala ng sakit. Ang pasasalamat ay hindi dapat maging tanikala.
Gratitude should come from love, not fear. True gratitude does not require constant reminders or emotional blackmail. Parents and elders should guide, not guilt. Helping someone should never come with invisible chains attached. Setting boundaries does not mean you are ungrateful. It means you are choosing respect for yourself and for others.
It's time we start talking about this issue, even if it's uncomfortable. As a society, we must learn to balance cultural values with emotional well-being. Let us redefine utang na loob as appreciation, not obligation, because gratitude should lift us up, not weigh us down. Respect is not something you owe, it is something everyone deserves.